loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mora, and on this channel we always do cleaning, cooking, homemaking, and sometimes traveling videos. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Tumebakisha watu 19 tufike 500 guys. Please hii wiki tufikeni 500 and I will really appreciate. So, and to my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. You're the reason napatanga nguvu ya kufanya vlogs, ya kufanya videos. I'm really humbled. And to my subscribers, thank you so much. 481 subscribers. Acha niwaambie, starting a YouTube channel, it's very easy. It's very easy, but growing that channel is the hardest thing. Nimekam kurealize because kufikisha hata hiyo 100 subscribers, it's a struggle, but I'm really grateful to you guys kwa kunifikisha 481, and I believe you're going to help me get to 500. So guys, it's on a Tuesday. Yes, as you can see, most of my videos I normally start them in the kitchen. I normally start them in the kitchen because most of my videos, they are cleaning videos. So I want to show you guys what I normally do most of the time. As a stay-at-home mom and a working, mwenye anafanyia kazi home and stays at home. I'm a mom of two boys, and yes, so guys, let's start our video. First of all, we are going to clean up the kitchen because it's really a mess. Asubuhi nilitoka, it's on a Tuesday, it's a back to school Tuesday. So I woke up, I didn't do anything. Nilipeleka nikaenda kudrop mtoi shule. So I've just come back, and my kitchen is so bad, my sitting area is so bad, as in kila mahali, things are everywhere. So guys, I hope you're going to enjoy these videos, and if you're seated na hujaosha vyombo, stand up to do this. So guys, I hope you're going to enjoy my video, and I really love you guys, and thank you so much. And I believe that kwa hii video mtanifikisha to 500 subscribers. Na I don't know, me at least I don't know what sijui venye nitareact. Yani I'm so excited. 481, I'm so excited. So let's warm maji ya kuosha vyombo and we start this guys.
was wrong was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile. Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile. Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile. was right.